You don't know. Bad man. Yeah, yeah, yeah. He's body baby, oh. Ah, he's body baby, oh. Yeah, yeah. It's a bad man thing, yeah, yeah. Bad girl make you.
Hey guys, so this beautiful hair I got from a company called Alise Sugar Hair. It is an AliExpress company, and I did receive my package as you see via DHL, but everything will be down below in the description below, so just check there. I did receive 3 bundles. Each bundle, you guys, I received was 24 inches, and this is what one of the bundles looks like. As you can see, this hair is absolutely gorgeous. So as you can see, I'm just showing you how much hair you get per bundle. So 3 bundles is definitely enough to get a full head of hair. And this is the frontal that I received. This frontal is 20 inches long. It does have baby hairs and it's really dense, but I did go in off camera and just tweeze it once I was finished making the wig. But as you can see, the hair, the bundles, the frontal, everything matches perfectly. I absolutely love this hair. This is Brazilian body wave hair, by the way. So this is what the wig looked like when I was done. I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like. I didn't have to do anything to this hair. I didn't apply any type of heat to this hair. I wanted to show you guys, you know, the parting space. I really didn't take advantage of the parting space either. This was just a really quick install. I used some Gossipy glue gel to adhere it to my head. I didn't have any issues as far as shedding and tangling. Like I said, all I did was pluck the frontal a little bit and cut some of those baby hairs. I did add some mousse to the parting space just to lay it down and just tame it a little bit, but other than that, that's all I did. I didn't actually put any, you know, anything in the hair itself, just on the top part. And this is how it looks straight out of the package. Like, you really don't have to do anything. So if you guys are interested in this hair, don't forget to check down below in the description box. It will take you directly to it. Hopefully there's some coupon codes down there for you guys as well. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed, and I will talk to you all later. Bye. Thanks for watching. Also, you guys, I forgot to mention, if you want to win some free hair, follow Alise Sugar Hair on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. All of the links will be down below in the description box. So on that note, again, I will talk to you all later. Bye. Thanks for watching.